Welcome back to the tutorial. Today I'm going over how to cut somebody out in Final Cut Pro, and if you want, add them to a different scene. So let's jump in and show you how to do that. Alright, first thing, get your clip. We're going to look for the magnetic mask. Once you get your magnetic mask, drop it on the subject. Boom, got them right here. Hit analyze. You have to analyze the clip. Cool. Let's analyze, hit done. Cool, so that's what we got. It ain't perfect yet. Cool, so let me add this background. I'm gonna add, see how it looks. So I got it right there. Let me just cut down this clip so it matches. Boom, boom. And then I want to move them too, so I hit the transform right there, slide them over a little bit, so it looks like it's actually sitting on that bench right there. Cool. Now let's make an adjustment. The area between his arm. Cool. And then hit analyze again. I think it should be good after that. And done. And there we go. That's how you cut somebody out in Final Cut Pro. I hope that was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.